Morning everybody, welcome to day 2 of Phonics with our focus on the I sound for this week. We're back with our tricky words. We're going to do something completely new today and it's a bit of fun. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a mnemonic, or a little bit like an acrostic poem, where we're going to use one word which starts with each letter of our tricky word. So I've had a go and I've got wild. Something that's wild, well, wet ink loves drawing. Okay, so here you can see w-i-l-d. I've got one word for each letter. And I want you to choose at least two. Pick two of our tricky words. Write the letters going down your page. So like W on one line, I, then L, then D. And then just have a go at coming up with a word so it comes up with a little phrase and it's a bit of funny. Okay, so it could be wet ink loves donuts if you wanted to, or wild inkers love donuts. Pick at least two of the words and have a go at your own. So pause the video now and have a go. Okay, now you've created two mnemonics of your own. Maybe we can share these on our Friday assembly just to see what you come up with, or Friday meetup, that'd be quite nice. Right, let's move on. Okay, so what I'm going to get you to do this week is every day is to go back and see if you can remember all 5 of our I sounds. Okay, so you're going to spend 30 seconds now, pause the video, write the I sounds that you remember that we talked about yesterday. Go. Okay, right then. So hopefully you've got 5. Hopefully you've got more than one. But the I that we did yesterday, and I'm joining my sounds, joining my letters for each of these graphemes. So I, then we had the I, E together. We had it as a split digraph. We had the I by itself, and then we had it as a Y. Okay, those are the 5 that we're focusing on. So let's just recap yesterday's. Okay, here I have 5 words. Let's just name these, number these. 1, 2, it's a horrible 2, 3, and 4. I would like you to write 1, 2, 3, 4 in your book, and I'd like you to match the picture to the word, please. So pause the video and off you go. 4 words, go now. Brilliant. Okay, let's just go through these answers together. So this one here, the glass slipper was a bit tight. This is obviously night. This is sigh. And on an aeroplane you go on a flight. So you should have tight, night, sigh, flight. 1, 2, 3, 4 in your book. So which of the sounds are we focusing on today? We're going to focus on I-E. So just like yesterday, because we've got 2 letters, we're just going to have a practice with them. So underneath the 4 words that you've just written, we're going to write I 3 times but joined up. So we're going to do I straight into the roller coaster for the E, and then the dot, and then again, and then again. Okay, nice and simple. Hopefully every time you write the I sound today, you will join the I and the E together. Okay, let's watch another video.
Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the digraph I, when the letters I and E come together to make the sound I. 2 letters, 1 sound. Let's take a look at some words that use this digraph. I, pie. Let's try again. I, pie. Well done. Let's have a look at another word. Ooh, I, flies. Let's try that again. Ooh, I, flies. Well done.
Anybody
Let's
spotting
have a
any
look at the
rules
next word. I,
that might help us spell the words?
let's try one more time. I. Tie. Well done. Let's look at the next word. I. Cried. Let's try that again.
I. Cried. See, even I can do it.
Well done. Ready for another word?
I. Dried.
Let's try again.
I. Dried.
Well done. Let's look at the next word. Untied. That's tricky. Let's try again. Untied.
Okay, so the I grapheme comes at the end of short words. Okay, so here we've got p, I, t, I, I, but then it's also used before the suffixes s and d as well. So here we've got f, i's, r, ep, i's. So that's the s suffix. And here we've got the d, so it's t-i'd and t-i'd. Tried. Flies, replies, tied and tried. So it can come at the end of short words or at the end of shorter words with the suffixes s and d at the end. Okay, let's have a go at spelling some now. Okay, the first word I want, and there's not many, the first word I want you to spell in your books is spies. 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 So here's the sound buttons. Spies. Hopefully you've all written that. So we've got S, P, I'll do the I in a different colour and joined. So hopefully you've all joined it as well. And then the S at the end. Okay. We also have fried, as in a fried egg. Fried. So here's the sound buttons again. Fried. Fried. Couple of seconds for you to have a go at writing that. So we've got F, R, here's our I sound, and then D, so fried. So these have got the suffix at the end, the S and the D. The next one is die, as in what happens when you die, or one dice. Lots of dice, one die. Nice easy one, don't need to write the sound buttons for this one. It is D, and then I, and an E. Okay, and we're going to do one more. In my toolbox I have a pair of pliers. This one doesn't follow any of our rules, but it's an interesting one anyway. Pliers. Here's the sound buttons. P, L, I, S. Pliers. Pause the video now if you haven't done it, because I'm going to go through it. So I'm going to spell it. It's P, L, then our I sound, then an R, and then the S. Pliers. Okay, brilliant. Well done, everybody. So your task for today, this will be stuck, or it will be in your phonics book, or mum and dad might have it. It is a I word map. I would like you to pick 5 words and to use them in a sentence. Now, here are my conditions. The I word must have the I sound joined. It must have a capital letter and a full stop, your sentence, and hopefully it will include an adjective and a conjunction as well. So it's just 5 words, 5 sentences, full stops, capital letters, and then you're done. Okay, and we'll come back tomorrow for the next I sound. Good luck with your sentences.